How to send money from GCash to BPI. Open the GCash app and sign into your account. Tap the send icon. Tap the transfer icon. Select BPI from the list of banks. Enter the amount you want to send. Enter the recipient BPI account name. Enter the recipient's BPI account number. Enter recipient's email or your email. This is optional, but is important for documentation purpose. Tap Send Money. Review the details before tapping Confirm. There is a 15 pesos fee for sending money from GCash to BPI. The minimum amount you can send is 10 pesos. The maximum amount you can send per transaction is 50,000 pesos. You will be asked to enter your GCash authentication code that will be sent to your registered GCash account number to confirm the transaction. Copy the OTP and paste it. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Screenshot the transaction and send it to the receiver that you already transferred the amount. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.